All right. Got this for part of my garden growing spinach. This is American spinach. I'm going to grow it, and I'm going to grow Chinese multicolored spinach. You can use this just like any other spinach. You can eat it as young salad greens, or you can cook it. So I'm going to grow those two varieties. I've got quite a few tomato plants that I'm doing. I've got beefsteak already seeded that I'm growing. These are a tiny little cherry tomato that grows on a vine. I'm going to try my luck on these. I've never grown these before. I'm doing beefsteak tomato, the cherry tomato on the vine, and then these I'm especially growing for my husband because he loves green fried tomatoes. This variety comes out of Germany. It is called the Green Zebra. As you can see, it's green. I thought that was kind of interesting. I'm going to try doing two different varieties of cucumber. One is your Market More, your regular green average cucumber. This one is definitely unique. It's called the Dragon's Egg. It's a rare seed. The fruit is white, about the size of a goose egg, and it's supposed to have kind of a citrusy taste. So I'm curious to see how that's going to turn out. And then I accidentally ordered two sets of these, so I'm probably going to have a lot of Thai red peppers. Red chili pepper. I'm thinking about trying my hand at making salsa, and you need that. Plus, I like to make my own Chinese food, so that Thai red pepper, that stuff really works good. I am growing two different kinds of peppers. Your blocky bell pepper is one I'm going to grow. And then I have these. These are mini bell pepper. Multicolors, green, red, kind of a yellow. I'm going to be growing them. I've got two kinds of peas I'm going to grow. One is your classic sugar snap. I'm going to grow that one. And I'm also going to grow what's called a green beauty, and this is a snow pea. I'm going to be growing these. I picked up some chives. I have never ever grown chive before, but I'm going to give it a shot. Put it in with my onion and garlic, I think. And then for ordering a bunch of these seeds that were in the black and red packs, these are from the Baker Creek heirloom seeds. These are rarer seeds. I got this pack for free for ordering my rare seeds, which came in the mail today, so I'm pretty ecstatic about that. I'm planning on having raised beds in quite a variety this year. I'm going to try my hand at different vegetables and see how my crops do. That way I'll know what I want to try planting again and what I'll definitely leave out. I'll do some more gardening videos and let you know how things look. So wish me luck.